Welcome back to the channel. We're here at the Lucy here in Houston. Got my boy Raul here. He came out to league night, what was it, a couple years ago?
A year.
Was it a year? Well, anyways, yeah. So he offered to use his creative services here and vlog for us, so if it sucks, blame him. Yeah. But I'm just kidding. But I do have 3 balls to give away because I changed my fit and I had balls on the truck. So that's going to be numbers 34, 35, 36. So we'll still have 64 more bowling balls to give away for the rest of the year. I'm going to hand the cam over to Roll and he's going to do his thing. I'm going to do my thing and hopefully we have a good product for you guys. So enjoy. That was quite possibly the worst game I've bowled in my professional career. Not score-wise, just execution was bad. I had the picture. I feel like the mind-body connection's got there right now. We're still riding the struggle bus, but it's okay. I bowled 216 that game and I gutted in the fill like an idiot, but again, I'm like a butter knife right now. They're not easy. It's not like melted butter out there. It's like frozen rock hard butter. You gotta make some shots today. I'm just not making the shots, but that was a much better game than the first one. So again, not too disappointed, but I think we're about 100 under. The high game, the first game was 450. So we just gotta put some good ones together and hopefully climb back in there. grinding my heart out. 201, it's kind of transition game for me. I was throwing everything. I just got into reactive. We're close. It's not great. Let's see if we can make some tweaks to make it look great. Here's our scorecard. Double digits. We got to minus 99. I didn't really help a whole bunch the last game, but Liam a good one. I'm just not very sharp right now. I feel like I could have put up a decent number if I was. I was just all over the place. You know, I saw what I wanted to see, other than the pins falling down. But I thought I played pretty good as far as lane play. Execution, I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Especially the first 2 games. That was rough. But the last couple of games got a little bit better. Gonna take this home. The arm's feeling pretty good, so maybe we'll start practicing soon. Again, I haven't practiced in 2 months, so I'm not the most talented bowler. I can't just take a bunch of time off, not practice, come back, and then just repeat shots over and over again. So I know what I gotta work on. I'm just gonna go home and work on it. And hopefully the next vlog you guys see will be in the running for a win. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.